Hey, what's up guys, it's Ayn here from the Tech Infos, back with another video, and this time around guys I have got for you something really special that I have been using for some time. So let's get started guys.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
So this is the boAt Stone 1000, which is available in Amazon for just $2,699, and the Best Buy link of which will be provided in the description down below. Now if you recall, we have already tested few speakers from the company boAt and they haven't yet disappointed us. Now talking about the boAt Stone 1000, it's a speaker that is actually huge, but at the same time it's portable as it can fit in easily in a backpack, but to be honest, it's not something that you'll carry around every day. Anyways, the speaker is really well built. It has a rugged design and is also IPX5 water and dust resistant. Now this Monstrous box comes along with two speakers on the front, jointly providing a whopping 14-watt output, the audio quality of which we'll be checking soon. Anyways, on the right side of the speaker there's absolutely nothing. On the back there's a passive radiator along with aux input and micro USB port for charging. The ports are covered with rubberized cap to protect it from dust and moisture. Moving ahead, to the right it holds the play, pause, volume buttons which provide more or less good response. The speaker also comes along with a very good quality strap which is helpful to carry the speaker around, and finally on the bottom there are two rubberized pads so that the speaker doesn't slip or move while playing music. Now talking about music, let's move ahead and talk about audio quality, for which I have invited someone really special, as you can see guys. Anyways, jokes apart, let me provide you with some audio sample.
I got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you. I see you. And I know you keep asking me flames and fire. You are done with me, it's just fired. I love that they say fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
So guys, I hope the audio sample that I played gave you a rough idea of how the overall audio quality is. Now I personally feel that the speaker is actually doing a really good job for the price that you pay, and if I have to rate the speaker, I'll rate it somewhere around 9 out of 10. And yes, the speakers can improve in some sectors, but overall guys, it's doing a really good job. The mids, the highs, the lows, the vocals, the instrumental distinctions, everything seems to have been tuned in a really good way, and I'm enjoying listening to music via the speaker. Now for this price guys, I believe that this is a speaker that you should definitely consider or at least keep in your bucket list for future, because this is something else guys. But yes, it's not that portable, but you can definitely carry it around if you are going in some in vacation or camping or riding. This is something that you will really enjoy carrying with yourself in case of parties, mini parties. It can fill an entire room without any problem guys. I mean the sound. Now as I said guys, the overall quality is really good, and if in case you once again want to purchase, I'll provide a link in the description down below. So that's all for this video guys. If in case you enjoyed watching this video and found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We have a whole bunch of videos related to Bluetooth speakers, so I hope that you watch it. I'll provide a playlist over here. And anyways guys, that's all for today. Enjoy watching. Peace.